Well, hey there, hello there, bonjour, hello, good morning, good afternoon to you if it is afternoon, good evening if it's evening, and good night. Anyway, Elton here, so I wanted to give you guys an update on that American Lafrance model there. I gotten some back on working on it there since I've been really busy with the snow removal videos and I think shipping ads that I sell and things like that, and thought it was time to give you guys an update. I've been working on it here for the past hour. Just wanted to show you this guy here that I got recently as a gift from my friend Ed. That's right, it's a vintage Johan. I think it's a 26 Cadillac. Notice the bumper is drooping there. Anyway, it's a nice old girl. I cleaned it up and glued the wheels back on the front wheels off and brake off. Anyway, so I think I had showed you that I've got all the cab done here. That's pretty much done. The bell came off the bumper there on the left. I'm gonna have to put that back on, but it looks really sharp. And quite frankly, compared to the rear part for the ladder, that in itself, it was not easy. This is really pretty easy peasy. Again, the only thing I had, whoa, I just noticed something I gotta fix there. The interior is all coming down there. Look at that. Shoot, I'm gonna have to fix that again. Anyway, like I said, the posts so that the roof wouldn't cave in. That was the only problem there, where the bottom right wiper is there. If it wasn't for that black trim I painted, it would look not good because I didn't cut out that piece properly. But it looks great. All right, so I'll put that back here. If you ever need any vintage ads, you let me know if you have any requests. As you can see, I got a wide variety of stuff. You name it, I might have it. Just to show you a bunch of things, I have some of my frame stuff I framed, the original photo I took. That's from a calendar. I'm surprised nobody ever expressed interest on this one. I don't know why. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous ad, gorgeous frame, 1937. Anyway, my God almighty, did I put the heat on in here? It's freezing in here still. Holy mackerel. Okay, so this is the rear section here with the compartments for the ladder. Very fragile. I'm gonna come over here so I can sit down. Now I've been I've been working here on the base here for the pivot here for the turntable for the ladder. It actually was pretty easy. It wasn't hard at all actually. It's very good. I'll take that, put that over here, and there's some more work left to do on that after I stop recording and I'll start working here on the platform. Looks like it should be relatively easy, but this part here was not easy actually. I have to say, even just putting together the body here was not easy. I had made a mistake here with some of the panels underneath, and but what was more annoying actually was these parts here, where these stands, they come out, these hydraulics, these stands, I forget what they're called, and I don't know what some of this stuff. The problem is that this top part here, it's called this floor here, is bent. It's like the old classic buses and the new looks. Like the rear part was bent to the untrained eye. See, it's bent there. So I tried to bend it, but I didn't want to break it. So unfortunately, there you go. So some of these parts are a little bit. It kind of looks neat in a way. It looks like I got into almost a fender bender. You hear that wind there? Yeah, the wind's bad, man. The wind is bad today. Not in a rush to go out. This part is much better. But anyway, anywhere where I got my hands on there, I'm going to touch that all up again. A few things I'm going to have to touch up again here. As you can see, the silver, the yellow. But it looks really good though. There's a cover that goes over here when all this is going to be assembled for the chassis and frame, which the chassis and frame, of course, is over there. An engine, right? So again, I just wanted to do a quick update. One of the ladders fell off here, eh? See that right there? They don't even glue on. They just go on like this. There you go. Those back ones are glued on those so they don't fall off. And then oddly enough, to go back around here, these ones here, there's just a bunch of ladders stacked up, which just kind of sucks because they're all stuck together, all glued together. I had to do that or else it would just fall out. There's no support on the other side. There's a brace here, there's a bracket here to keep them in place, but not on the other side. Then you have all these spears there. I had to glue these on. So needless to say, eventually when this is done, I'm going to try not to, like, handle it too much because things will break off really easily. So it's going well, but again, it's got challenges. Really not a model for a beginner. And I hate how the camera is not showing the yellow correctly, come to think of it, because of the light compensation. This is more of a, I don't know, it's showing the camera looks like a mustard yellow or something. It's not accurate. I hate that about this phone. Anyway, that's it, guys. I don't think there's much else to say. I just want to look at these instructions here. There you go for the ladder, or they call it the boom, excuse me. And it's funny because we're now, today, the 4th of March. Not surprisingly that I'm not done yet. I started this, I think, at the beginning of January, if I remember right. But I really didn't know it was how quick it would take. And so I'm like, whatever. It's just part of the deal, It's not like when you're building a regular car kit. And after this, I think I'm going to be building not building a model, but I want to do another painting. And I got this in mind over here. No, not this beautiful hubcap. I want to make a painting, believe it or not, out of this dog dish Ford hubcap that's about 50 years old. So we shall see about that, eh? On a beautiful day, but very cold with the wind. It's like minus 20. That's a bunch of shite. Anyway, so that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed that, and take care. I'll talk to you later, and I'll keep you up to date. Oh, and thanks again, by the way, to my good friend Dave out of East Falmouth, Massachusetts. Look what he sent me there. He sent me a bunch of goodies, but that's the coolest thing. Look at that. And it's funny because it's such an unusual plate that even a lot of people don't know that the number 8 is very lucky for the Chinese. So they'll buy any property with the address that has 8s in it, or the phone number's got 8s, and so I'm sure I could sell that very easily, but I won't. It was a gift. I don't sell gifts. So there you go, guys. Thanks again for watching. Oh, I just framed that one recently. Take care, and all the best. Bye-bye.